Hi students, welcome to HBOM Education. Today we are going to discuss reflection of light at curved surfaces. So before discussing the topic, we need to understand what is light. So light is nothing but light is a form of energy, and where we can get light? We can get light from different sources. So for example, bulb, candle, torch. These are the examples for source of light. So bulb gives light, candle gives light, and as well as torch also gives light. Means bulb giving energy, candle also giving energy, and torch is also giving energy, because light is a form of energy. లైట్ అనేది ఏ ఫామ్లో ఉంటుంది అంటే ఎనర్జీ ఫామ్లో ఉంటుంది. మీన్స్ లైట్ we can say light is nothing but light is energy. Light equal to energy. Light travels in straight line. According to Fermat's principle, light travels in straight line. Light అనేది ఎలా ట్రావెల్ చేస్తుంది? ఒక స్ట్రైట్ పాత్లో ట్రావెల్ చేస్తుంది అకార్డింగ్ టు ఫర్మట్ ప్రిన్సిపల్. Light gives sensation of vision. Means what? With the help of light we can see the different kinds of objects, such example person, things, etc. We can see different kinds of objects with the help of light. So we can say light gives sensation of vision. Light helps us to identify nature of objects. Means light, with the help of light we can identify shape, size, color of the objects. With the help of light we can identify what we can identify. మనం ఏం ఐడెంటిఫై చేయగలుగుతాం లైట్ వల్ల అంటే ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ యొక్క షేప్ కావచ్చు, సైజ్ కావచ్చు, కలర్ కావచ్చు. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ యొక్క నేచర్ని మనం దేనివల్ల చూడగలుగుతాం? లైట్ వల్ల. విత్ ది హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ వీ కెన్ ఐడెంటిఫై ది షేప్, సైజ్ అండ్ కలర్ ఆఫ్ ది ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్. Based on light, objects are classified into two types. So let us discuss the types of objects based on light. So we are going to discuss based on light. Objects are classified into two types. So objects based on light, objects are classified into how many types? Two types. Objects are classified into two types. One is luminous objects and another one is non-luminous objects. So what are the luminous objects and what are the non-luminous objects? Means luminous objects are nothing but the objects which can give the light is called luminous objects. So what is non-luminous objects? Luminous objects are nothing but the objects which can't give the light is called non-luminous objects. So let us discuss about the luminous objects. So luminous objects means what? So luminous objects are nothing but the objects which can give light. Is called called what? Luminous objects. So luminous objects are nothing but the objects which can give light is called luminous objects. అంటే ఏవైతే ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ లైట్ ఇస్తాయో వాటిని ఏమంటాం మనము? luminous objects. Example. What are the example for luminous objects? Bulb, torchlight, and candle, etc. Bulb gives light, torchlight also gives light, candle also gives light. Means bulb is a luminous object, torchlight is also luminous object, candle also luminous objects. So let us discuss what is non-luminous objects. Non-luminous objects are nothing but the objects which can't give light, is called what? Is called non-luminous objects. So here non-luminous objects means the objects which can't give light is called non-luminous objects. అంటే ఏవైతే ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ లైట్ని ఇవ్వవో వాటిని ఏమంటాం? non-luminous objects అంటాం. What are the examples for non-luminous objects? So non-luminous object examples are bench, book, table, etc. Means bench. Does bench gives light? No. Does book gives light? No. Does table give light? No. It means those objects does not give light. Such objects are non-luminous objects. So bench, book, table are the non-luminous objects. So and further non-luminous objects are further classified into two types. Non-luminous objects are classified into two types. One is transparent objects, another one is opaque objects. What are the transparent objects and what are the opaque objects? So here transparent objects are nothing but the objects which can allow the light, If objects allow the light, we can call transparent objects. Such objects are called what? Transparent objects. ఏవైతే ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఉంటాయో లైట్ని అలో చేస్తాయో, ఏవైతే లైట్ని పాస్ చేస్తాయో వాటిని మనం ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ అని అంటాము. opaque object is nothing but here the objects which can't allow the light, light ni allow చేయని ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ని మనం opaque objects అని అంటాం. which can't allow the light, means here transparent object is a type of object. It is also a non-luminous object, and opaque objects also non-luminous objects. So let us discuss the definition of transparent object. So transparent object means here the transparent object is defined as the objects which can allow the light is called transparent objects. And example for the transparent objects. What are the examples for the transparent objects? Means glass, air, water, plastic, etc. These are the example for the transparent objects. So transparent objects are nothing but the objects which can allow the light is called transparent objects. Example for the transparent objects means glass. For example, if you take a glass, a transparent glass, we can say, if I pass a light, so passes, it can allow, means here this object glass becomes what? Glass becomes transparent object. Air also allow the light, so we can say air is also transparent object. And water is also transparent object. And plastic also allow the light, means plastic is also transparent object. Next type we are going to discuss, the second type of non-luminous object is opaque object. So opaque objects. What is opaque objects? So opaque objects are the objects which can't allow the light, is called what? Opaque objects. Which can't allow the object, which can't allow the light ni allow చేయని ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ని మనం ఏమంటాం? opaque objects అంటాం. లైట్ ని allow చేసే వాటిని ఏమంటాం? the objects which can allow the light, we can call that type of object is called transparent object. Opaque objects are generally can't allow the light, the objects which can't allow the light. So simple trick to remember is, a trick to remember, transparent objects are welcome the light, the objects which can welcome the light, but opaque objects generally does not welcome the light. So such objects are called what? Non-luminous objects. Non-luminous objects are how many types? Two types: transparent objects and opaque objects. Transparent objects allow the light, opaque objects can't allow the light. So these are the definition of the transparent object and opaque object. So let us discuss the example of opaque objects. Wood. Example: book, metal, steel, wall, etc. These are the examples of what? Opaque objects. So opaque objects are nothing but the objects which can't allow the light is called what? Opaque objects. What are the examples for opaque object? Wood, book, metal, steel, wall. These objects does not allow the light, so we can call what? Opaque objects. So next topic we are going to